Hi guys, in another video by MTech Pro, Apple's new iPhone 13 is coming next week, with the iPhone 13 expected to launch at the big Apple event on September 14th. It's no surprise that we're seeing all sorts of last-minute leaks. And the latest iPhone 13 Pro images give us a pretty clear picture of what Apple's new iPhone could look like. Earlier this week we saw a pretty major iPhone 13 rumor that spilled details across a wide range of features. This included possible confirmation of an advanced night mode for shooting the night sky, a cinematic video mode and bigger batteries for longer battery life. We also heard once again about 120Hz displays coming to the iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max, which could throttle down to a 60Hz refresh rate in low power mode. Now we're getting a possible look at the iPhone 13 Pro in the form of a dummy unit, as reported by SlashGear, and the post claims that this is the final design for the new iPhone. Because there are 3 cameras on the back, this would likely be the iPhone 13 Pro. The most notable change is the reduced notch, which we've already heard could be 25% smaller than the iPhone 12. Apple will reportedly make the smaller notch a reality by moving the speaker higher up on the design, and by shrinking some of the sensors used for Face ID. Alas, under-display Face ID is tipped for the iPhone 14 next year. The bad news is that the iPhone 13 isn't expected to get in-display Touch ID either. The good news is that the iPhone 13 Face ID could be sophisticated enough to work with face masks. However, this capability is reportedly in testing and may not be available in time for launch. Other iPhone 13 rumors point to a faster A15 Bionic chip, possible satellite communication and always-on displays for at least the Pro models. We should see faster 5G connectivity as well through a new modem. While the overall look and feel of the iPhone 13 doesn't seem very different from the iPhone 12, there should at least be some new iPhone 13 colors in the mix as well. And the regular iPhone 13 could get a pink option, and black and bronze may be offered on the iPhone 13 Pro series. Thanks for watching everybody, and see you in another video.